Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're gonna build this massive shoe rack using plywood patterns. Hello everybody and welcome back. A few months ago I saw this beautiful thing here on the internet, which is plywood patterns. I saw some videos from Michael Alm, which I guess you know, and when I see plywood edges I go crazy, and when I see patterns and repeating models my mind just explodes. And I know I'm a failed architect. So I thought it must be mine. And so I'll use this technique to decorate something I'm building, but in my style, at scale. This is a massive shoes rack to keep my 2 pairs of shoes and my wife's huge amount of shoes all in one place. So let's get started. Okay, so far I've basically built a 3-column cabinet. Let's say it's the classic wardrobe. Now here's the fun part. This piece here, this piece of furniture here, will fit under a staircase, and therefore the top of the cabinet will be not only sloped, but there is also a recess under the staircase, so I'll need to cut this weird part here. So the structure is complete, so I can start with the main part of the video, the plywood pattern, and yes, I'm Italian. So this is plywood, 18mm plywood or 3/4 of an inch, and I'll apply some colored veneer like this. Then I'll cut it to create tiles like this, and given the surface I need to cover is huge, I need to create a couple thousand of these tiles, so let's see how we can make a repeatable process to keep all those tiles the exact same size. Okay, the tiles are ready. As you can see, they have a 30-degree cut, and I tried as far as possible to make them come out as even as possible. Now I'm going to put all together. So I sanded everything up to 180 degrees with a jump sander. Now let's push it to 220. Let's go. Now I would like this to be like this, but it would rather be like this. Okay, last step, I promise. Where should I lay the shoes? Well, I need some shelves, and of course they will have some color too. Also, I 3D printed these pins here, and of course they are colored too, so let's use them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time, and ciao!